Here we see the assembly stage, where automated systems work hand in hand with our technicians to meticulously construct the lens barrels. From microscopic component placement to automated optical inspection, this is how PSUs are built with exceptional precision and reliability. Chronicling the evolution of manufacturing, from manual soldering to automated surface mount technology and Industry 4.0 smart capabilities.
These SPC parameters confirm the yield efficiency targets are being met.
Excellent. Let's push this design specification to manufacturing.
Agents. The critical design specifies enhanced ESD protection here.
Does that impact our manufacturing parameters for the new components?
We must optimize manufacturing parameters based on these critical design specifications.
The quality assurance testing confirms.
The simulation confirms our yield optimization methodologies are effective.
And these new parameters meet the critical design specification.
The data confirms we're meeting performance targets.
But we must refine contamination protocols based on this stress data.
Component moisture sensitivity baking procedures demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures systematically implementing electromagnetic compatibility standards. This system demonstrates meticulous temperature profiling, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness and reliability qualification before production commencement.
The optical inspection confirms all specifications are met. We have manufacturing readiness.
Exceptional product reliability ensured. Proceed with production commencement. Implementing electrostatic discharge protection is critical. We ensure grounding measures are in place before handling any sensitive components. First, verify the component feeder settings. Then cross-reference the specifications shown here to ensure full compliance with our stringent standards. Utilizing the traceability system for statistical process control, we verify all specifications and standards, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness. Ensure all specifications are met for environmental control.
Meticulous preparation procedures are confirmed. We are maintaining superior standards.
Our primary manufacturing sequence utilizes sophisticated automated systems for exceptional precision and quality consistency.
The AOI system confirms 100% serialization accuracy on this batch.
Traceability platform metrics align. Quality consistency is maintained.
As you can see on the SPC monitors, the automated in-circuit testing is verifying that stringent performance specifications are being met.
The X-ray scan confirms the anomaly. We need to implement the new optimization methodology immediately.
Implementing sustainable practices, our trained technicians and automated systems ensure exceptional precision and quality consistency throughout the production process. This manufacturing sequence demonstrates operational excellence, utilizing robotic handling systems for exceptional precision and quality consistency.
Our manufacturing seat utilizes high-speed pick-and-place machines for precision electronics assembly.
Sits. Real-time monitoring confirms the new system has significantly reduced waste. Energy consumption is down 18%.
Look at the real-time data here. We've optimized the workflow.
The integration is stable. We are meeting all compliance standards.
The signal integrity validation results confirm the issue in batch 3.
We need to cross-reference this with the supplier quality tracking.
As you can see from the real-time data, the calibration management system is fully compliant. This ensures optimal efficiency moving forward. Systems integration is complete. Production efficiency is stabilizing.
Reliability metrics confirmed. Quality outcomes are guaranteed.
We've stabilized the process. Yield is holding at 99.8%. The analytics confirm it. Quality outcomes secured.
Look at this spike at 2.4 gigahertz.
That's significant. We need to document it and verify the shielding effectiveness.
This graph confirms the susceptibility levels are within spec. The data validation is complete. We can authorize product release.
The yield optimization data looks good on Unit 7.
Agreed. Document the results and prepare the release protocols. The thermal inspection on the circuit board is complete. Good. The dissipation rates are within the established parameters for this test batch.
The signal integrity validation looks good on channel 3.
According to the industry protocols, we're within the margin for error.
The reliability qualification is confirmed. Sign off on the release documentation.
All functional performance metrics validated against protocols.
Documentation is complete. The unit is authorized for release.
The analytics platform is showing a rise in potential failure rates here.
We've implemented the revised parameters. The system is responding.
Calibration on machine 4 is verified. Yield efficiency is stabilizing. Good.
Continue monitoring the integrated systems.
The integrated systems confirm a 15% reduction in ESD events. This optimization program is driving manufacturing excellence globally. We need to maximize throughput capacity utilization now.
The advanced analytics platforms show we are hitting the yield optimization targets.
Inventory levels adjusted automatically.
Cross-referencing that against the optimization strategy KPIs now.
Looks good. Efficiency metrics are peaking across the board. Look at this quality improvement data here.
The traceability platform confirms the source. We are achieving excellence.
The warranty return rate analysis confirms the effectiveness of our thermal management solutions, driving continuous quality improvement and manufacturing excellence. Field failure analysis confirms the anomaly. We must leverage signal integrity validation immediately.
Reroute
Efficiency. Utilizing these analytics platforms improves our electromagnetic compatibility standards and operational efficiency.
integrated obsolescence management.
The data from the Reliability Qualification Program confirms consistent quality improvements across all manufacturing operations this month.
Through advanced analytics and integrated management systems, we optimize preventive maintenance scheduling, meeting stringent global industry standards.
We've successfully integrated the fundamental research with the manufacturing application right here.
This breakthrough gives us a real competitive advantage.
Look at the cycle time improvement on this run.
The synchronization is flawless.
We're ready to scale this application.
The processing capabilities at the edge have doubled this quarter.
That data confirms the efficiency increase we project.
This confirms the transformative potential of the graphene structure.
The data strongly supports moving to advanced.
The data confirms exceptional product reliability.
This manufacturing process ensures consistent quality. Rotate the schematic for the compliance check. The layer uniformity is critical here.
confirmed. Yield projections are now within target parameters.
If we optimize the algorithm based on this data, the positional accuracy should improve significantly. These frameworks confirm our market strategy is maximizing yield efficiency, and manufacturing standards remain.
The reduction in energy consumption significantly enhances our sustainability metrics. The market analytics confirm our Q3 strategy.
We are fully compliant in the APAC region.
This optimizes our rollout significantly. Our talent development initiatives, combined with sophisticated decision frameworks, are optimizing our market position and supporting technological advancement globally. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, an integrated ecosystem to power global electronics.
From this facility, we reveal the complete integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned.
Real-time data acquisition allows us to maintain continuous, synchronized production with integrated quality control and automated testing protocols.
A transformative technological ecosystem, strategically positioned within the global supply chain infrastructure.